Looking for a social networking app to chat and meet new peoples online. Just you need to do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. After doing these activity, go to your Google Play Store and search here. Okay, social network. Okay, once you do that, then the application is in front of you, which have 100 million downloads. Okay, social network is a social media and chatting application that allows user to connect with people from different countries. Users can create a profile, share basic information and start conversation based on common interests. This app is mainly focused on online communication and social interactions. Its simple interface make it easy for beginners to use without any technical knowledge. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next one guys. Goodbye. Best of luck.